Welcome back once again to the channel. We have this question on combination. I know you'll be glad to see how I'll solve this question. Question says the combination of C and 2 equals to 15. We know that combination of n to r is given as n factorial over n minus r factorial into r factorial. Then the next thing you should do is define C into n2 same way you define C, n, and r. So that my C n2 will be defined as n factorial all over n minus 2 factorial 2 factorial. Now, what is n factorial over n minus 2 factorial 2 factorial? Let's take it this way. You see it as n factorial should become n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. It continues downwards this way, factorial. Why I'm stopping at n minus 2 factorial? Because I have n minus 2 under as a denominator. So this becomes n minus 2 factorial here, and 2 factorial equals 15. So that n minus 2 factorial cancels n minus 2 factorial. For the numerator, I'll be left with n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 times 1. That's 2 times 1 equals 15. Invariably, n squared minus n all over 2 equals 15. This is the same thing as writing n squared minus n, 2 times 15, that's equals to 30. Now, I can write this as a complete quadratic equation to help me solve this equation. That becomes n squared minus n minus 30 equals 0. Now, to solve this with factorization method, I'll pick n squared times 30, that's minus 30 n squared. What are the factors of minus 30 n squared? When I sum them up together, will give me minus n. Obviously, that's minus 6n times 5n. So I can replace minus n with minus 6n plus 5n. Let's open another slide. So that here is n squared minus n minus 30 equals 0. We've agreed that minus 6n will replace n squared minus minus 6n plus 5n minus 30 equals 0. Now let's bring out n. N minus 6 plus 5, I'll be left with n minus 6 again equals 0. So that n minus 6 now into n plus 5 equals 0. Invariably, n minus 6 is equals to 0, n will be equals to 6. N plus 5 is equals to 0, n will be equals to minus 5. The value of n cannot be negative. For this combination at this level, we'll be saying that C n combination 2, which is equals to 15, I can rewrite this as C6 combination 2 equals 15. You can confirm your result. Check 6 combination 2. That will be 6 factorial over 6 minus 2 factorial over 2 factorial. 6 minus 2 factorial is same thing as 4 factorial. I can rewrite this as 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 4 factorial 2 factorial. 4 cancels 4. 2 factorial is same thing as 2. 2 here is 1. 2 in 6 here is 3. So that equals 15. That confirms my result. So the value of my n is equals to 6. With this, I hope you understood how I solve this combination problem. In case you have gray areas or questions, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you as you subscribe.